In this tutorial, we'll be writing another while loop coding. We still have the same question. We have to print hello world while a condition is met. So let's check our IDE. So by this time around, we will not be using a known value. Instead of a known value, we'll be using a random value. Random value in PHP, to get a random value, you have something like this, rand, and you put your ranges. For example, if you want to get a random value from 10 to 13, you have something like this. So our dollar value is going to get a random value. So the loop is going to be executed if our random value, let's assume a condition, if our random value is not equal to 12. The random value can be 10, 11, 12, 13. So when the value is not equal to 12, then let us run hello world. And here also, instead of having dollar value equals to this, let us use this same value here. I mean the random value. So you have something like this. We have something like this. So let us remove this. So our dollar value is random value from 10 to 13. The loop is going to continue if the random value is not 12. Otherwise, we'll be printing hello world on the screen. So let us check our browser now. So we have hello world 1310. So, but to make it to be clearer, let us print the random value at every point. So we can have something like this, echo. The random value here is dollar value. So we have echo dollar value. Let us break it. So we need to add the HTML break tag. So we have to do the same thing here to make it to be very clear. So at every point in time, we know our random value. So let's check the browser now. So you see that the first time the random value is 11. So the code is going to be executed. We have hello world 11. At the second time, the random value is also 11. And that is why you're having this. So since 11 is not the same thing as 12, in the condition here, it means this loop is going to run again. So you have hello world 11. The next random number is 10. This 10 is not the same thing as 12. So the block of code is going to be executed again. So you have hello world 10. The next random number is 13. So you have hello world 13. The next random number is 12. And when it is 12, our dollar value here is 12. And when it comes here, we have 12 is not equal to 12. This is false. So the block of code here will not be executed. So we move out of the while loop. And that terminates our code.